gluten-free pancakes. Let's go.
Alright, so first you need to put all your, you need to crack your egg and whisk it. So there's your egg over there.
Okay, I'll crack it.
Crack them and whisk it in.
And which bowl?
This bowl, the big one.
That was not what was supposed to happen.
Alright, I said crack it, not explode it.
Oh, the baby is in. I like whisking.
Hold it like this.
Oh,
See how it's faster? Alright. There we go. Okay, that should be good. Now go ahead and add the milk into it.
all done.
And leave the whisk there because you're going to need it still. All the milk. That's 1 cup of milk, 1 egg. Okay. Add the melted butter, which is 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Good. And syrup. You need 1 tablespoon of maple syrup.
So one of these
Yep.
flour. And now Bella.
So it's already open.
Open up the lid.
Now you need to combine them again. So go ahead and whisk a little bit.
Get all the maple syrup.
Yep, all the maple syrup. All of it needs to be combined.
It
Okay, that
looks
should
like
be good.
pancake mixes.
Now we need to add all of our dry ingredients. So go ahead and start just adding everything that we have here.
Sugar.
That's not sugar, that's salt.
Oh, salt.
Salt, good. So that's a ½ teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Okay, do we scoop it?
Nope, just dump it all in. The scoop's in there so that we can scoop it in later. And 1 cup,
Yeah, get
all of it, of all-purpose baking flour, which is that right there.
This does not want to come out.
Tap it. There we go.
Oh no, I like this. It's gonna be a little hard. It's a little hard. Wait.
Alright, so now we have our griddle preheated. It's pretty hot. You don't want to get very close to it. We have it set to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Sorry, I don't know what that is in Celsius off the top of my head. I'll put it up on the screen. Alright, so Emily, now what we need you to do is to grab our batter. And if your batter turns out to be too thick, just add a little bit more milk and then whisk it up to see if it goes to where you need it. Alright, so you need 1 cup, so I'll do the first one.
I'm gonna do the second one. I'll do the next one. You can do the next one after me. I want to do the front one. Oh. But I have to come over here. Wait, pancakes. I never have.
Oh yeah, she's looking good. Nice. Nice.
Oh no.
All right, Em. Ooh. What do you think?
Mm.
Is it good? Can you tell it's gluten free? Nope.
Really?
So it's delicious, right?
It's too much like a regular one.
All right. Well, there you have it. Tastes just like a regular one. I agree. Pretty enjoyable. But that's going to do it for the video. We hope you have enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know if there's something else you want us to make down in the comments. And we will talk to y'all later.
A piece of chicken breast.